much about solar energy, renewable energy, wind energy, tidal energy. There's so many different aspects coming up.
Bollywood actor Rajkumar Rao on Tuesday inaugurated a cafe at Police Bazaar in the city. He was accompanied by his wife and actress Patralekha Paul, who is a local girl from Shillong. Speaking to media persons, Patralekha said that integration will only happen if writers and directors from Bollywood understand the state and write stories for the region. Rajkumar Rao expressed his enthusiasm for the newly established cafe, highlighting the cafe's inclusivity. He also spoke about the potential of Meghalaya as far as inviting filmmakers to come here and shoot their movies more frequently.
But now we have this beautiful cafe here. We opened this cafe and we want all the people, all the